most important life lessons and Stoic principles from Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, explained simply with practical daily life examples. This book is not a story. It is the Roman emperor's personal diary about self-discipline, mindset, and inner peace. Meditations, key points with examples. 1. Control your mind, not the world. You cannot control events, but you can control your reactions. Example, boss scolds you, anger or learning? Situation same, reaction decides peace. 2. Accept what you cannot change. Life becomes peaceful when you accept reality instead of fighting it. Example, rain ruins travel plan, frustration. Accept and adjust, calm mind. 3. Focus on your duty. Do your work sincerely without expecting praise. Example, student studies daily, success comes naturally. Employee works honestly, respect builds over time. 4. Life is temporary. Everything, money, fame, body, will end one day. This realization removes ego and attachment. Example, fight over small issues feels useless when you remember life is short. 5. Don't depend on others' opinions. People will always judge. Stay true to your values. Example, starting a YouTube channel, some laugh. Continue anyway, success later. 6. Discipline is freedom. Control your desires and habits to live a strong life. Example, control spending, financial freedom. Control food, health. 7. Train your mind for difficulties. Problems are part of life, not exceptions. Example, business loss, learning opportunity. Failure, improvement tool. 8. Stay calm in every situation. Anger and panic weaken decision-making. Example, market crash, panic selling. Calm thinking, smart investing. 9. Live in the present moment. Don't regret the past or worry about the future. Example, enjoy family time today. Focus on today's work only. 10. Character is more important than success. Be a good human first. Example, honest trader earns trust. Kind leader earns loyalty. 11. Stop complaining. Complaining wastes energy. Action solves problems. Example, complaining about job, no change. Learning new skill, better opportunity. 12. Think before reacting. Pause and respond wisely. Example, someone insults you, ignore. Reaction avoided, mental peace. Number 13. Be self-aware. Observe your thoughts, actions, and habits daily. Example, notice negative thinking, replace with positive action. 14. Do good without expecting reward. Kindness should not depend on appreciation. Example, helping someone without posting on social media. 15. Death is natural. Don't fear it. Use it as motivation to live meaningfully. Example, stop delaying goals. Start living with purpose. Core philosophy of the book, Stoicism. Marcus Aurelius teaches, control thoughts, accept reality, stay disciplined, be humble, focus on duty, stay calm in difficulty. This leads to inner peace and strength. Real-life application. If you follow this mindset, before, overthinking, anger, fear of opinions, stress. After applying meditation's principles, calm mind, discipline, confidence, emotional control, clear life direction. Daily Stoic routine from the book's ideas. Morning, remind yourself, challenges will come today. During day, stay calm, do your duty honestly. Night, ask yourself, what did I do right? What can I improve tomorrow? Most powerful line meaning. Open quote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Close quote, meaning, true strength is mental control, not external success.
And now we have reached the end of this book. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. Please like, comment, and subscribe to support us and stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next one.